start.
Nagka-crash yung PC ko.
Uy, nag-crash yung PC ko. Hello, no.
Going.
Yeah? We go right, yeah?
Sure, yeah, sure.
Fucking hate this game.
Fuck you, Tinam.
What the? May umapoy sa motherboard ko. Tingnan yung chat. May umapoy sa motherboard ni Baby.
Huh? Short circuit yung motherboard ni Benzo.
Ano nangyari?
Stream ko na nga lang to. Unfriend ko lang si Sir Jade.
Show.
Tatanungin ka next year. Di ba pinahid mo ako, Justin?
Nakakahiya eh. Nakakahiya nung...
Hello.
Men,
Hello, baby.
papagawin ni Sir Jay. Ba't
Marami. Corn beef, meatloaf.
ha? Ano ito mo si Rolly? Rolly, what the fuck? Ba't nasa line ni Rolly?
Rolly, play the game. Don't show us your rep, you piece of crap.
Bro, what do you mean? What do you mean?
Mr. Sweet.
Prime
Give
nuts.
me some.
Prime nuts. May nakita ko, prime nuts.
Ang dami lang ito. Yung itlog nyo.
Nakakatakot yung itlog. Wag mo ihagis yung pinto!
Balik na.
Ovaltine ba yun?
Yup.
Oh, hell na.
Kala ko transformer.
Kasi drums Rolly. Kasi drums.
Uy, Roy!
Sheesh!
May isang pan si Rolly ng Milo.
Meron din siya isang kan ng tang.
Isang pan ng
You this white bro, I would be there. Man, paano ka di magiging obese pag
Yo, binuhin ko na lang ng pang-blood po.
Irish Spring.
Rolly, what are you living for? There is no apocalypse.
So, we apologize.
Look, he has 5 Cokes, 5 Royals in his fucking fridge. He has ice cream on his fridge.
Jesus Christ!
Man, look at my second monitor.
Ako kanina.
TV.
Gamitin mo nga.
Wala akong extra HDMI.
No help?
Man, my hair just goes down.
Kapag ginagaya yung headset ko.
Ha?
Jeris, ba't ginagaya yung headset ko?
Kaya nga.
You have the same headset. Disappears.